This little space heater is actually pretty nice. It kicks off quite a bit of heat. I can definitely feel it, and even having my hand right in front of it, it's a little bit hot to the touch. So it definitely does its job. It does come with this remote where you can control everything, or you can control it from the control panel up on top. It does move manually up and down in kind of notches, but it does not move from side to side. One of the things I kind of wish it did have is a little bit of oscillation from side to side, a little motor in there. That would definitely make it a little nicer, but it still does its purpose nicely by kicking off some heat. It has 3 different heat speeds, 1, 2, and 3, and then you can also switch it to fan mode where the heat turns off, and then there are 3 different fan speeds as well. You can turn off the light if you have it in, say, a bedroom when you're sleeping. You can also silence the beep so it doesn't beep when you're pressing the buttons. And it has a timer, which is definitely a handy feature. Right now, it's on fan mode, and I can feel it just blowing off some cool breeze, no heat included. And then you just hit the power button to turn it off. So overall, I think it's a nice fan. It's well built, and it's a good value for the money, so I would recommend it.
This thing is really quiet. I'm very surprised at how absolutely quiet it is.